Hi, I got my X11 open. I'm just going to draw a rectangle. I'm just going to keep this simple. This isn't exactly how I would do it. I'm going to take this and marquee select it and fill screen, and then copy it and pull this over here. And then go to exterior wall tool and connect. And connect. And this will be the porch area in the back here. Now these walls, I'm going to shift select those and open them and go to the roof tab and tell them to be full gable walls. And I think the pitch I've got set here in my profile plan is 512, so that's what I'm going to go with. Now I'm going to use the wall break tool, and then break, 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 break. And then take this wall and this wall segment, open them and set them to gable. Full gable, boink. Okay. Now just to fancy this up, I'm gonna use a railing wall out here. And I'm gonna change that railing. I'm gonna show off a little bit. Forgive me. I'm gonna make it post to beam, open, with no railing of any kind. No, thank you very much. And we'll go to newels and balusters. We'll change the newels and balusters to 6x6s, make them 5.5. I'm going to put, and I want the square. And I'm going to change the spacing to 12 feet. And also on newels, I want them, yeah, no, I don't want to draw rails so that they show in plan view. Yeah, and I got one post out there. That's probably fairly realistic. Now this space here, I'm going to name it some exterior room type, so I want to have a ceiling. Slab. And since it's outside, I want it, the floor is slightly lower than the house. We'll put it at -3 so that frog strangling type rain won't run into the house. And then, of course, the patio slab is then sloped. Now, right now we got, that's what we have. Okay, now I'm going to go to the build roof dialog and we'll build roof planes. Oh, oops, I made a mistake. Don't. See, I didn't tell this not to have a ceiling or a roof over it, so I built a roof over it. Let me fix that. Open the dialog box of the outdoor part and go to the structure tab and uncheck ceiling and roof, and then rebuild roofs. Now you got it. Now I didn't change my defaults to a standing seam, but that's about the only thing I missed. And drawing in the arbor part of it, you know how to do that already. I don't need to teach you. If you want this beam to go below the roof, you just change the ceiling height of the slab room. We'll set it to 96 inches. And that should drop that beam. Yeah, see how it dropped the beam down? And in terms of the roof, we'll go over here to the spray can. I'm going to go to the library browser and materials. I think, is it metal? No, it's something metal. What is that? Where is that thing? It gets sheet metal. Bingo. That's where the standing seam stuff is. and I'll just use this. And I'll set the sprayer to plan mode, and then just click on the roofs, and there you go. So how hard was that? Yeah, I know. I've been using the software for 24 years, so yeah, it was pretty easy for me. For newer users, this should be plenty of evidence that it's not that hard. Okay, thanks for watching. I do hope this helps you, and I hope you have a very good day. Thank you.